All right, righto. Been at church this morning, got my holy shirt on, ready to get into this Hilux build. So today, gonna whip off the roof, cut it up, put some new lights on, put some new accessories on, and just get this thing looking a whole bunch better. And welcome back to the channel.
So we did a bit of shopping, come over here. Went past King's this morning, and we splashed a little bit. So this is all going on today. We've got Max Tracks. We've got the holder for the Max Tracks. We've got a shovel holder mount. Got some paint for the roof rack, because we're going to chop it up a little bit. And obviously the lights. So we're going to run 6 on the top of the roof, just like my Maverick. And should look freaking awesome.
That's a squeeze. Man.
So right now what we're doing is we're just prepping the rack. So we're pulling everything off that this light bar's going. Obviously not going to be staying. We just pulled off some mounts over that side. Yeah, it's just prepping it. So we're going to cut all this cage off it and make it a flat rack. Once we get that done, you start seeing this moving pretty quick.
Throw it on the floor.
We're probably going to keep this just for the back, like for a back, like a reverse light for now, but just might as well while it's still working.
Gonna get into cutting this up. So earplugs, safety glasses. We don't do the old safety squints. So nah, look after your eyes. I've had heaps of metal cut out of mine. But we'll get into it, cut this off, flatten it.
Are they prescription or?
Yeah, prescription gainers.
That's it. Oh!
Gee, that's light.
It is light, isn't it?
Yeah. Little tip when you're grinding down aluminium, this is an aluminium roof rack. You want to chuck a bit of WD-40 and it stops that grit getting all clogged up, or a bar of soap, put a bar of soap on there. It'll help it longevity of your disc. That's all right. My grinder's getting hot, probably going to blow her out. It's a hot day today, I'm sweating bullets. It's a dirty job.
He's got no idea, but he's actually just blown all his hair off. All right, well, Ryan's making up this front piece. To mount our lights, we're obviously going to run them through the front here, and there's a cage at the moment. So Ryan's going to make up a flat piece of steel with the curve in it, and we're just going to make that section solid. While he's doing that, we've got a wiring kits with our lights. So it's all plug and play, very simple. I'm going to start on that way it's pre-wired while Ryan fabs that up. All right, so we don't want to drill any holes in the roof. We don't want to go around the back and under the car and up through here, because we're going to need so much extensions. So what we've opted for is what I did for mine. If you come and have a look at mine, I just ran mine like this through here and into the garden. Now look, I know I'm going to get thrashed for that, but it's better than drilling a hole in your car, and it's just quick and it's easy. Plus it's all plugs, so you can just unplug it, reroute it if you want to. That's what we're going to do for now, so that's it. Pretty good here. That's how it's going to be through here.
Yes, yeah.
So I don't know if I have any left, but have a look at this. We can stick it to your windscreen.
just making a quick little cardboard template just at the front shape up here. I'll cut this out in aluminium and I'll work off this edge back a little bit to where this bar is. And I'm going to head over to the bead roller, roll over this edge a little bit where I'm going to TIG it on around this front here, come through here, and that'll be a nice flat plate for mounting up those spottings up on the roof in here. So it will primo.
I'm going to sit down here.
Just jam them in here for now.
Reckon? Only because of the vid.
Hey?
I'd do that too, but only because of the video.
It's alright. I will mount it professionally later. But for now,
it's going to stay
we're just
exactly.
going to jam it in.
It's going to stay exactly jammed in.
Oh, look at that fresh alley. So, making the fitment a bit better, this is a rollover die, and this is going to roll that edge all the way around, just making it better than just being a flat piece on top. Smoothens it up a bit.
The phone died and we couldn't film this bit. So what we've done now is we've just welded up the plate for the lights. So the lights have got something flat to sit on. And what we just marked out now is we're going to get the lights to sit centre between the plate. So it's right bang in the middle of it. So yeah, that's it. Oh, look at the rack.
Oh, those two edge ones like that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Making a little sandwich plate to mount these, and then we can drop the max tracks on there and then be alright. They're not max tracks, they're dual tracks, but recovery tracks. They'll be able to mount up on here.
Alright, I just want to say, right, so this rack was probably worth nothing. Absolutely nothing. But now we've turned it into something that's actually worth something. Once these lights go on and everything bolts on, it'll look like we've bought it. But as it was before, you probably would have binned it.
So, I'm going to show you boys a little trick here when you're dealing with paint in a tin. I'm going to get a little bit of tape like this. Stick that on. Stick that on here. And then now, that'll act like a little funnel. Dip it in there. Take that off. And then, until that, you got a clean can. Perfect.
What?
Doing the old triangle, as you saw earlier, funnel. No mucking around.
No mucking around in
Couple
this
of
shop.
days. Couple of days.
Oh!
Scratched already.
Scratch the brand new paint.
Hang on. Oh, as you can tell, we're absolutely
Filthy.
Yeah, and it's been a day, but have a look.
Sick. Got a fair bit done. Lights, shovel, recovery tracks, that's all sorted. So, suss it out. What do you reckon?
All right, that's a wrap. So, if you like what we did, like, subscribe, it helps us out a lot. Next will be on Ryan's car, probably will be the tray. So we'll do a full custom tray on that, as well as my car with the rear bar and stuff like that. So yeah, stay tuned, much more to come. Yeah, that's pretty much it.
Yeah. Plenty of tube work to be done coming up. Rear bar, side steps, bull bar, and then yeah, heap of tray stuff too. So keep,
Yeah,
yeah,
just, we're tired.
keep up to
We're
date.
tired. Done.
A few moments later.
Ready for a send? Boom! Bro, these are bright as daylight. Yeah. Look at the side beam beaming off to the side.